Hey guys, today in this video, I'll be giving you an in-depth review of Scalable Capital, a broker that's been generating quite a buzz lately. By the end of this review, you'll have all the information you need about Scalable Capital, from its convenience and commissions to its ease of use. I've personally tested the platform to bring you an in-depth analysis of its features and performance. Scalable Capital has faced some criticism, as reflected in its Trustpilot rating of 2.9 out of 5 from numerous reviews. Users have reported mixed experiences, particularly with the automated customer support system. However, despite these issues, Scalable Capital offers a competitive range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and bonds, with low fees starting at just €0.99 per trade. Moreover, new users on paid plans can benefit from a guaranteed 4% interest. Scalable Capital is an online investment platform where investors can create savings plans or trade stocks, funds, cryptocurrency ETPs, and ETFs. Founded in Germany in 2014, it now operates in most European countries. Scalable Capital is recognized for being a very affordable broker and an excellent platform for creating savings plans. Investors can engage in long-term investments and stock trading at a low and transparent cost. The platform offers shares, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, funds, and savings plans starting from €20. Based on my research and experience, Scalable Capital is one of the best tools for investment available at the moment. Scalable Capital's user interface is one of the most user-friendly I've encountered. To get started, you can register for free on the official website by entering your email, confirming it, entering your details, and choosing one of the 3 plans: Free, Prime Broker, or Prime Broker Plus. You then authorize a transfer of €1 from your bank account to your new Scalable Capital account. My preferred plan is the Prime Broker Plus, costing €4.99 per month, as it offers 4% interest on cash balances. However, if you are only interested in savings plans, the free broker plan, which has no cost, is sufficient. Let's discuss the disadvantages first. Although I believe Scalable Capital is an excellent broker for both beginners and experienced investors, it is important to remember that it is just a tool. Investing in risky securities without caution can lead to financial loss. The platform's ease of use, particularly its mobile app, could potentially lead to impulsive trading. Therefore, I prefer to conduct trading and investment activities on my computer while using my smartphone for banking. One downside is that the 4% interest is only available with a Prime Broker Plus plan. Additionally, asset allocation is the investor's responsibility outside of Germany and Austria. Accounts are only available in euros, there is no leverage offered, and no demo account is provided. Despite these drawbacks, Scalable Capital's innovative features, such as dynamic risk management and the Aladdin feature, are impressive, though I primarily rely on my judgment. Scalable Capital has significant backing from investors like BlackRock, HV Capital, and Tencent. It is available in Germany, the Netherlands, France, Italy, Austria, and Spain, with more countries to be added soon. I appreciate that Scalable Capital is safe and fully regulated in Germany, providing protection for cash deposits up to €100,000. The platform's savings plans are well suited to my needs, and I enjoy the 4% interest from day one. The modern interface, ease of use, and transparent pricing are additional benefits. Safety is a primary concern for any investor, and Scalable Capital provides multiple layers of security. The platform has never been compromised by hackers and employs advanced technology to protect users' data and funds. Scalable Capital offers 3 guarantees. The money invested is segregated and not available to the broker. Uninvested money is protected up to €100,000 by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, and investments can be transferred to another broker or bank if Scalable Capital were to close down. Scalable Capital is not a scam or a fraud. A scam detector analysis confirmed the platform as 100% safe. If Scalable Capital were to go bankrupt, The money would be insured up to 100,000 euros. The investments are held by Baader Bank AG, a reputable German bank with high capital ratios. In the unlikely event that both Scalable Capital and Baader Bank AG fail, the European Deposit Guarantee Scheme would intervene, insuring deposits up to 100,000 euros. Scalable Capital is regulated by BaFin, the largest authority of its kind in Europe, approved by the German Ministry of Finance and Deutsche Bundesbank. The platform is suitable for two types of users: those who want to create a flexible and cost-free savings plan, and traders who aim to buy and sell securities for capital gains or dividends. In conclusion, Scalable Capital is a reliable and user-friendly investment platform that offers a wide range of investment options at low costs. Despite some criticisms and minor drawbacks, its competitive fees, innovative features, and strong regulatory backing make it a compelling choice for both new and experienced investors. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.